Hey buddy! What's up? This will be a short content on how to reset the oil service light on the 2014 to 2024 BMW X4. So in this video, I will tell you guys some tricks to get to the service reset menu on this car. So let's go and do that together. Alright, in this section, I'll guide you to reset the oil service light on the 2014 to 2018 BMW X4 or F26. So here's how it's done. Step 1. Push the start button without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Push and hold the dash button until the service menu comes up on the display. Step 3. Hit the dash button and cycle through all the vehicle services items to find the engine oil menu. Step 4. To reset it, you need to push and hold the button till it says reset with the question mark. Step 5. Push and hold the button again, and once the progress bar comes up, you can go ahead and let it finish till it says reset successfully. Next, I'll show you how to reset the oil service light on the 2019 and 2020 BMW X4 or G02. So let's go and do that together. Step 1. Hit the start button 3 times in succession to get into the diagnostic mode. Step 2. Hold down the dash button for a few seconds to bring you to the service menu. Step 3. At this point, you can go through the different options by hitting the button, but we want to reset the engine oil. Step 4. Hold down the dash button until it asks you to reset. Step 5. Press and hold the button again till it notices reset in progress and you're done. To reset the oil service light on the 2021 to 2024 BMW X4 is a little different from the previous model year. You need to use the BC button to do this. So the way you reset is: Step 1. Hit the start button 3 times rapidly and wait until Diagnostic Mode Active pops up on the display. Step 2. Hold down the BC button on the turn signal lever for 15 seconds until you see the service menu. Step 3. Press the BC button repeatedly to find the engine oil menu. Step 4. Hold down the BC button until reset appears on the screen. Step 5. Hold down BC button one more time and wait until the reset progress bar finishes and you're done. So that's pretty much it. A quick and painless way to reset the oil service light on your BMW X4. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your BMW running smoothly. Until next time, and happy driving.